Hello everyone and welcome to Web Designer Luton YouTube channel. So today is the 24th of March 2023 and as per your request I've decided to create this YouTube channel where I will upload all the videos which will show step by step how to do things such as creating email, creating blog posts, accessing your hosting and WordPress backend and more. So all of these, for each of these I'll make a video like you guys requested and I'll upload it on my website so you can have access all the time to it. And if you have questions, anything, you can always of course ask me. And if you need help with anything, you can also leave me a comment and I will make sure to create another video which shows a step by step like this one. For this video I will show you how to create a blog post. Most of you have asked this, so this video will be a bit longer, but if you follow this you will be able to create a professional posts and publish them into your website. So first of all, I'll send you a login details where you can use your computer or laptop, and once you click on the link that I will send you especially for your website, you will get something like this where you need to put your username and password. Of course I will send you the username and password as well. So for this one I have just created one for myself to just show you guys how we can do it. So I'm going to log in. My username I named it Web Designer Luton, and I'm going to type my password now here. And I will log in. So once you log in, you will get something like this. This is your dashboard, but this is not the original dashboard. Let me show you the original dashboard is like this. You see so many things. So with this you can basically delete your website, you can do anything, you can harm your website if you don't know what you're doing. For this reason whenever I create a username and password and give access to the backend of your website, I make sure to give you something like this, so with minimum stuff where you cannot damage the website. But if you're an advanced user, if you're confident, you can ask me, I'll give you the full access like this. But for this one there's only one rule that I have. Even if you have my premium plan which comes with unlimited help and support, but if you damage something here, I will charge for this to fix it, because it will basically take a lot of time to fix it. So for this reason, if I would recommend everybody to stay with this type of dashboard where you will have access only to the things that you will ask me to allow you. So for example, you can create blog posts. This is the best dashboard for anyone who want to create blog posts. Now as you can see, it's a lot crowded here, a lot of stuff, and this is basically same like a mobile phone. These are all notifications that you receive it, and we can off this, but even if you off it, it may come back again in the future, but you can always off it. So how we can off this? If you see here it says a screen option, click on that and make sure you uncheck everything here. So uncheck this and this. Once you uncheck all of them, click this back, and that is how it should look like. This one is a lot clean and easy to understand. Now before we create any of our blog posts, I want to show you something here. So this is your dashboard. I want to quickly explain what are these and what they can do. So the first one is basically your dashboard. Anywhere you are, you can click on the dashboard, it will bring you back into this page. Second one is your post. You see when you go into it, it gives you three options: add a post, all post, add new, or category. Which I will come back in a minute. The second one is media. So this This one is basically a storage for your website, where all of your photos, videos, files, everything which does display into your website are all stored here. You can access it by clicking into the library, and as you can see, all the images open here, or you can click on add new, and you can select this and upload your photo from your computer. So this way, again, I'll come into this in a minute. Third one is the comments. For the comment, you see now this is again another notification. So when you get notification like this, all you have to do is just close it, and it shouldn't show again. Now you see, we do not have any comments. What are comments? Comments are feedback. People, when you create posts, people can write a little review about it, a little feedback, and they can post it. Then you as the owner will have access here either to for example approve it, spam it, or trash it. It's all up to you. From here you can do that. Remember, until you don't approve it, it won't appear in the website. So once you click approve, then everyone else who visit your website will see that comment or feedback as well. And finally, this one is your profile. If you click into it, you see from here the username, password I created for myself. You can edit everything here. For example, you see you can put everything. You can even put your own image here. So this is basically your profile, and once you've done it, just hit update profile. And the very last one, it says collapse menu. So basically it just makes the screen a bit bigger. It's like collapsing. So that's nothing. Back to the dashboard. Now we are going to create our first blog post. To do it, we click on, we can either come here and click add new, or we can go to all posts, and some of the posts I have here, when you create posts, you see these are draft. I never publish them, so I'm going to trash them. You can either do one by one or select all, and from here move to trash and then apply. All of them will go into the trash. You can of course access your trash and even restore them back. In case by mistake you delete something, then you can go to your trash. If any of these you want to restore, hit restore. It will go back to the, if you come back to all posts, it will go back here. So to create your first blog post, before we create a blog post, let me tell you what is a category. Category is a group. Like, you see, I've got some of you who do publish posts daily, every day. Imagine in a year time, you will have like hundreds of posts. And if you do not categorize them or group them, it will be so difficult to find what you're looking for and to edit them or delete them or etc. So for this reason, we have to categorize everything we do. Let's say for this website, we are creating a website. Let me actually open one of the websites already I have. For example, this driving course. Let's say we want to create a post for the for any of these things that this guy is offering. For example, let's say 10 hours lesson. So I'm going to copy this and we go back. So for this I'm going to make the category. You can click on the category, and as you can see, I already have some categories as well here. Again, I don't need any of these, so I'm going to delete them all at once. Delete. And this is how, of course, you can delete. Hit apply and it's all gone, except this one you can't delete. This is by default. Now I'm going to give a name to my category, and don't worry about this part. It will fill the same name automatically later on. And again, don't worry about this. This is an advanced if you want to make categories inside categories, so you can give the parents. If your category have some description, you can display it here, and at the end just hit add new category. As you can see now, the category is added here. Now if we go to add new from here, so now we can add our blog post. The first time when you want to add, that's what you get. So just close this, and some of you, depends what website you have and what we have installed on your website, you might get a lot of notes here and there. Just ignore them. So what I want you to focus on, 3 things in this page: title, description, and image, which I'll show you in a minute how to do it. So for the title, you can give any title. You can even give the category name, or it will be best if it's a title, like a proper title. Let's say this is 10 hours driving lesson, so I'm going to say driving lesson for 10 hours. This is that, and then for this you just click here and type the description, no matter how long it is. Once you finish typing, like once it's fully finished, then what I want you to do, you need to upload an image for each category. How we can upload the image? You see at the moment block is being taken here. Next to it is post. Click on the post here like this. Come down a little where you see category, click it and choose the category you want. If you want to add a new category here, you can by clicking add new category and give your category name, or select your category which you already created. But I'm going to create another category from here. We can do it the same thing. So this one, I'll name it let me just paste the same thing, but I will name this, for example, 20 hours. And once it's done, click on add new category, and as you can see, this is also added. So that's the category. Now come a little more down where it says feature image. Click into this, and from here where it says set a feature image, click into it, and from here you can upload it from your computer, or you can click on your media library to access the library. You can select any of this as well, but for this one I'm going to upload from the computer to show you how it works. Now for most of you, I know what you're saying, difficult to find image. Don't worry about it. I'm going to share these 3 websites. They are free stock images. Each of them have got millions of images. They're all free copyright, so you can just download them and use them for free. And just remember, some of them in the beginning have got advertised, like for example, when we search, it will come and I'll show you. Those are not free, but these big images, they're all free. Now since it's about driving, so let me just type it here, driving lesson, and search. And as we can see, these are not the right one, although this one is. So you like an image? First of all, there are 2 types of images. One is horizontal, which is all of these. One is vertical. The vertical, you see this first one, this is advertised, so these are not free. Don't download this. Underneath, these are all free. Now what we're looking for is horizontal images, which are these. There are some vertical image which I'll show you in a minute, but let's click the image we like, this one. Now you see it says free download. If we click into it, it gives us what size we're looking for. For the website, we always go to 1280 size. This is our size. We don't need bigger size. The bigger the size, the bigger the file size, and it will slow down the website. You see this one is almost 1 megabytes, and look at the last one is 122 kilobytes. So this makes difference. So what we're looking for, this one. Click this, and this is still big image, 403 kilobytes. I'll show you how to compress this image in a minute. Now click download and select this one, so, and then hit download, and there you go, it's downloaded. If I open it, there is the image. So it's very good looking image. Now I'm going to copy this same thing that we look for, copy it. In case you don't find in the first one, again I'll put the link in the description so you can open it and search for it. In case you don't find into this one, there is the second one. We can search here also and hit enter. And as you can see, these are vertical images. These are what we don't want. These are only good for the mobile view. So we don't want this. We want these type of image, not this type of image. So you see this website, they don't have so many good images either. But if we go to the next one, if you don't find, you can click here and enter. And these small ones, they are never free, remember. So come down, these are all free and they have got some good images. As you can see, there's a lot of good images. Again, if you need any of them, click on it. And from here, you see there's an arrow, click into that. And again, we have to select our size. Our size is always 1200, where this website doesn't have it. But when it doesn't have it, just go with the medium, because this one is very small, not that one. So go with this and click download, and there you go, it's downloaded. So this is the image. Now these are both big images. If we go to our file where these images are downloaded, we can see the size. One is almost half a megabyte, another one is also quite big one. So there's another website, which is this one. Also this one, I'll put the link into the description so you can click into it and it will open. So once you download your images, come to this website and drag your images here. Just click it and take both of your images and open. Now look, the original size, and look at the compressed website. The first one is being compressed by 44%. That's almost half of the size. But look at the second one, it's compressed by 52%. So that's 400, that's 191. And once this is done, click on download all. It will download a folder here. If we go back into our file, you see the folder is here. So before we open that folder, I'm going to delete these two images so we don't get confused. Delete. Now I'll open this. I highlight them both and copy from here. I'll cut it, not even copy. I'll come back and I'll paste it here. Now this folder is empty, so I'm going to delete this like that. Now these are the images ready to go to the website. So how we do it? We're going back to our blog post, which was here. So in case you have got confused, look, always in the top. Normally by default the blog is taken. You select the post, come down until you see feature image, which will look like this. When you click it, it opens. Select into this and then select files and find your images from your computer, highlight them and click open. Now there's one last thing I want you to focus here to note. So whichever image you want, you see where it says ALT text, this is basically the description of the image. You must type this here. Why? Let me show you why. Some people search things with images. For example, if I say web designer Luton, and if I search this, there. Now we have an option, we can search only images. You see, some people do this. So by image, look, all of the images that I named them, they come here. Even with this, they can access our website. From here, you see where it says visit, they can visit the website like this as well. So how this is possible? It is possible because I have put for each image, I have put it always the ALT text, which is this one. Now what you want to type here, you can type the name of the service, the name of the post you're creating. In our case, the name of our post is, if I go back to the post, let me close this. This is the name, so I'm going to put the same name, copy. Let's go back here. I'll take this image and I'll give it the name. This part I'm going to delete it. You don't need that. So, and then what you do, you see here it says set feature image. Click this. Now your image shows here. Once this is done, so basically you add title, description, and image. Then hit publish and publish again. Once you publish this, you can view the post, and this is how it looks here. However, I will design your website. By the time you publish the post, it should look like this into your website. You see this website, they have published these posts. It looks like this. Or if you categorize them, we can display each category in every part of the website, like this one. If we go down, you see these three are posts. So I have displayed using categories. And if you want to see the full image, click into it. This is the full post, sorry. You can read the post, and there's another post, and in here you can leave a comment. But for the comment, because this guy, he was receiving a lot of spam, so I have made it like this, that only login user can leave a comment. So if you click login into their website, that is where it will allow you to leave a comment for each of these. And once you leave a comment, you see when you write all these, and once you leave a comment, it will show just here underneath. Once you hit publish into your website, if I go back here, you see comments. From here, once you approve it, then it will show into your post right here, where all people can see it. So I hope this makes sense. And for this website, you see, if you click read more, the full post will open. There's the image, the feature image they put, there's the title, and there's all of their text that they have displayed. Then there's some of the related posts will display underneath, where you can just click open and like this. Why posts are important? You see, in the website there's two types. One is post, one is pages. The difference is the pages are static, so they're always the same. They don't update regularly, they just almost stay the same. Google like them, they do show them in the search result, but the blog post or the post are those where people normally keep posting it once a week, once a month, or once a day. So these are up-to-date information. Google always rank posts a lot higher than pages. Now let me show you. Let's say you're an accountant, you want to create a blog post. So if you run out of idea, some people they run out of idea what to create post for. That's when Google comes handy. You see this Google, this gives you a keyword. Keyword is basically our title. Let's say if you're an accountant and you have services like VAT return or bookkeeping. Let's say bookkeeping. If you just type here bookkeeping, now look, so many more appear here. What are these? These are the keywords. These are basically very popular keyword where users like you have searched in the Google, and Google recommend this to you, so that if you want to create a post something, you can create for one of these. For example, look, bookkeeping course, jobs, job land, surveys, so much more. And if this is still not enough, let's say type in and then space Luton. Now you see there's not much, but still, and if you click into it, now how it works here in the search engine. The first one, anyone that says a sponsor, these people, they pay for Google, they advertise. So these are always in the very high top. They get the highest ranking because they're paying basically. So any sponsor you see, ignore them. When you come a little down, this is using according to location. So it choose my location and shows me all the thing. But if you come a little more down, you see these are the company, and these are the guys who made a blog post. You see, Google, this is how they take the blog post. Look, these are very up to date. If I open one of them, now you see these are all blog posts. So there's the title, the description, and the time, the date, everything they want to show here. Again, title, description, some images. There's a lot of way we can display them. But so if you run out of the idea, you can always come take some ideas from here. Or if we type VAT return, look at all these comes. If I type a bit more, look, VAT return online, VAT return deadline, submissions, all of these are basically title. So what you do, if you want Google to target your website, so this way you get a lot better ranking, choose one of them. Or if you know already about your services, you can choose about those. But when you run out of idea, you can always come take the idea from here. For example, you can have VAT return deadline. This is your title. So you copy it and come again into your blog post here, posts. Now, since we have created one post, you see it shows here. We can delete them or leave it. Then you can add another post, and this time just give it a title, which we copied. Now write some good paragraph about it here. And then just for the image, again, you can take the same title and go to find the image for it. So just paste the image in one of these websites that I will put the description, and look at all this. I mean, these are not free. What about the next one? Yeah, I mean, if you see, these are the good images. You need to find the right image for you. And remember, it's not just one page. If you scroll down, look, they give you a lot of images. Sometimes they don't match, so then you need to keep looking, until you find one. For this third one, if I paste it, again, as you can see, let me close this. This one has got a beta result. So whichever image you like, just click the image. Once it's open, again click download. If it doesn't have the 1200, go with the medium. The image is downloaded, and again go to this another last one and upload your image here. Refresh to those two goes, upload your image again. So the same process. This way it will be super quick and easy. And this is the right way to publish a post. It will never slow down your website as well. So I hope you guys have understand, and I think I have covered everything in this video. But still, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will definitely reply to your question, and I'll make sure to answer each of your questions. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you don't want to miss these type of videos, you can always subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I will create for each of the subject a video screenshot like this, although this video is very long because I never make videos like this, so I don't have much experience on creating videos, and if there are some mistakes, I'm sorry about that, but hopefully slowly I will learn, and I'll make sure to make the videos just as short as possible. Thank you so much. Have a good day.